Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm feeling great. I don't have any pain, so everything is fine. I'm ready to back to work. Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Fernando. I'm from Mexico. I want to experience the procedure myself. I'm here in DHI India because I think it's the best option for a hair transplant. So I want to improve my hair. I want to improve those spots. So DHI procedure is the best option for me because in DHI we have the opportunity to extract the follicles without pain and also to implant with a special implanter to take care of all the follicles, and it's only do it by surgeons. So this is the procedure I prefer. This is the procedure I recommend. So let's go to the OT room.
Dr. Fernando, what is the hairline that you want for yourself?
Thank you, Dr. Kuta. So I want to fill these gaps.
The frontal
in the
triangles, yes.
Yeah. Everything is going well. I don't have any pain. The procedure is perfect. Thank you, India. It's been an amazing experience. Also, very interesting time here in your country.